Hey, I'm Neil Bott. I'm the founder and CEO here at ResumeWizard101, and I'm going to keep this video as concise as possible for you. But just to give you an idea of what the next steps look like, you're going to navigate over to the left-hand side of the page. You're going to notice the agreement over here. Just make sure to read through it, and then if you agree, you can just go ahead and sign, hit the submit button. Then from there, you're going to go to the Start Your Order tab. You're going to scroll down. If you've already started your order, you'll see something in the status that says our team's working on it. If you have yet to begin, then you'll click Start Order. Most of you, of course, are going to just be beginning this. And then over here, you'll be able to book a strategy call just by clicking on this hyperlink. This is for either the career search manager to connect with you or a executive coach, depending on what service you selected. And then you'll go fill out your details, and then it's going to you're going to get automated reminders the day of your appointment. Someone's going to meet with you, and they're going to help you fill out this form. It's totally okay to get started ahead of time if you know the answer to some of these questions, just to make sure that you're getting the best use of your time together. And then you can hit the Save Draft button if you do get started on it early. Then there's going to be the Track Progress tab. So this is where you'll get to know exactly where we're at in the process with whatever we're working on for you. And then the Review Your Docs tab will appear here. So that's where you'll find your new documents when they're ready to go. So your resume, your LinkedIn profile, of course, are going to populate there. When we look at the Upgrade tab, this is for additional services if you ever feel like you'd like to upgrade because you need a higher level of support. So we have the career search management services where we find, apply, and network for you, and then the interview coaching and all that stuff. And then the free resources tab here. I think this is something that you guys should definitely check out. And we've also got a whole resources page that I've built as well called resources.resumewizard101.com. It's got all kinds of templates for you. So communicating with recruiters, hiring managers, how to follow up, thank you letters. There's all kinds of like salary research tools, networking strategies, things like that. But then there's all kinds of other different resources that can be helpful to you in your search. So definitely take advantage of that page. We have a referral program as well. You can just copy the link here, post it on LinkedIn afterwards, and anyone who ends up ordering through your link will get a 10% discount. And then you'll also earn credit as well that you can utilize toward any of our other services. So you can go right over to this upgrade page. You'll get this in-store credit. So for example, if you refer 2 people over to this Find and Apply service, now we've increased the referral store credit. So you'll actually be able to, if you just referred 2 people over, you'd be able to afford this service as well. And you'd essentially get a free month of it. So something that could be worthwhile to you if you had a great experience working with us, and if you feel like you could benefit from other things like career coaching or interview prep coaching, things like that. So that's pretty much all you guys need to know about kind of what we do here in order to get started. And if you have any questions at any point, please let me know. I want to make sure you're 100% happy with the finished products. And so if you feel like you need any adjustments, all you have to do is submit a revision request to us, and we'll take care of it. I promise that, revisions, they're a piece of cake for us. So just, if the first draft isn't exactly what you hoped for, which it rarely is, because when we're learning about a new person, it takes some time, then make sure that you go ahead and you just submit a revision request over to us. We'll get it turned around within a couple of days. I'm not going to limit the amount of revisions that you might need on that initial draft that you need, so feel free to let our team know if you do need any updates. But again, I'm here to make sure that you're loving the service, that things are going well. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to either submit a ticket within the portal itself, or just come to me on LinkedIn, just send me a message, and happy to make sure that you're taken care of. But again, I'm excited to work with you. Feel free to reach out at any point. Thanks so much.